Apache NiFi versus Apache Spark, data flow versus data crunching. When dealing with large scale data, picking the right tool can significantly affect performance, scalability, and maintainability. Apache NiFi and Spark are both powerful in the big data ecosystem but serve very different purposes. While NiFi excels at moving, routing, and transforming data in real time flows, Spark shines in heady data computation and analytics. Let's go ahead and break these two down. Now let's start off with Apache NiFi. So this is a robust data flow management system designed to automate and track the movement of data between systems. It offers a drag and drop UI for complex pipelines, supports real-time processing, and comes with built-in provenance, tracking, and data lineage features. Pros: ideal for ETL and real-time data routing, easy to use visual interface, no coding required, fine-grained flow control and monitoring, supports a wide range of connectors right out of the box. Drawbacks: not built for heavy data transformations or analytics, can become memory intensive with large flows. UI-based approach can be limiting for complex logic. Next we have is Apache Spark. So this is a high performance distributed computing engine for large scale data processing. It supports batch processing, machine learning, SQL, graph processing, and streaming, all via APIs in Python, Java, Scala, and R. Pros: extremely fast for large scale computations, supports MLlib, Spark SQL, GraphX, and Spark Streaming, scales well across clusters, and it is also highly programmable and flexible. Drawbacks: steeper learning curve, requires more setup and resources, and this is not suitable for low latency real-time data ingestion. Final verdict: so go with Apache NiFi if your primary goal is data ingestion, routing, transformation, and integration across systems with real-time flow control, or go for Spark if you need to analyze, transform, or process massive datasets with high computation power. But these can also complement each other: NiFi to move data into a lake or stream, and Spark to crunch and analyze it.